The Government of India proposes to move a bill for amendment in the Waqf Act. I believe that the proposed amendments should be debated in a dispassionate atmosphere for reaching the right conclusions. Some of the provisions of the Amendment Act are universally not objectionable. For example, inclusion of two women in the Waqf Board and the Waqf Council is something that cannot be taken exception of. The women should have a right to be consulted, to participate in the discussions, and to be a party of the decision-making process. That is happening. Similarly, the Waqf properties are the properties dedicated to Allah. Waqf is a trustee. So it is in the interest of the community that all the income and all the expenses of the Waqf are meticulously recorded in a transparent way and are audited. It's a matter of common knowledge that most of the Waqf property are being misused for commercial or residential purposes by unscrupulous persons. Despite having a property of more than 800,000 acres, the revenues are not commensurate. So a proper accounting system is good for the efficient running of the Waqf. We all know the cases where the properties of other religions, without any evidence, are declared as Waqf properties. An eye-opener is the case of Thiruchethorai village in Tamil Nadu, which boasts of a 1500-year-old Sureshwar Mahadev Mandir. The whole village and the temple was declared as a Waqf. And when a person went to sell his own property, he was told that you have been divested of your title. So the amendment says that there should be a procedure for verification of a property before it is notified as a Waqf. And then there should be registration of Waqf properties. This would help the community to keep a proper, accurate record of the properties that they own. What is bad about it? An appeal has been provided now from the decision of the tribunal to the High Court. So therefore, I am sure that if there is a patient, cool discussion, it could be found that most of these provisions apply in the interest of the Muslim community. I would also like to raise a point for the future. For a Muslim to declare a property as Waqf, they only have to notify it in the Gazette. And for Ramlala to claim his own birthplace, the Lord himself had to file a suit and fight it for 60 years. I believe that the religious charities of Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, Jains, Bauds and others are as important and as sacred as the Waqf property. Why to have an exclusive, separate, discriminatory law for the Muslim community? So probably the time is ripe to consider whether we should not have a secular law governing all religious properties in the country, including of the Muslims.